Hey everybody, how's it going? This is Joseph, and today I want to discuss a topic that interests me a great deal, and that is the Google Deep Dream artificial intelligence software that has been announced by Google. And what it does, in simplistic terms, is it takes an image that you give it, and it cross-references it with a library of other images to try to decipher what is in that image, but you have to tell it what to find. So say you wanted to find clouds in that image, and it was an image of the ground, it would distort the image and look for patterns that could be misinterpreted by a software as a cloud. And it basically comes up with these ridiculously cool, trippy looking, kind of like LSD looking photos from a computer. And it's very cool. And today I'm going to be processing one of the false color images of Mercury on this website, and I have no affiliation with this website, but what it does is it's implemented the artificial intelligence algorithms that Google has, and it has made a simple, easy to use interface that allows you to basically just create whatever you want. So I'm going to do a dead president's cross-reference of the false color image of Mercury. And one thing I wanted to point out, I had an idea about this, is considering that this is the type of thing that we see when we're on a hallucinogenic drug such as LSD, we should consider that these computer systems are under the same influences, and not necessarily influences, but they're functioning the same way as a brain on LSD. So they should basically find out what is causing the brain to process LSD in that way, and by doing so they will find out exactly what is missing from these photos, because in reality it's just missing information that causes these photos to be misinterpreted by the software. And we just find it cool because it looks trippy to us because of the variety of colors. But basically, what I believe there to be missing is a more detailed library of images. In our brain, we have something like 3.5 petabytes of storage space, and even though we don't use most of that, we still use a lot of it to fill it with images of everything we see and everything we need to know what it is. So that we know a cup is a cup and not a pair of headphones. So basically, if, in my opinion, if Google had a fuller library, say a half a petabyte of cross-reference files, and not only photos but videos, because I believe photos are an inadequate way of cross-referencing an image or another video, because it's a much less explanatory way of showing how something is functioning in the place that it is. Okay guys, so now I'm going to process this with the dead presidents setting here, and the reason that this is going to be very enlightening for many people is that Mercury is such a different animal than a human that it will change it. It will attempt to find a human face or human features in a ball, and it will display what it thinks it finds, because it really doesn't have the protocol to say I can't find it, or to be sure of itself and say there's nothing there. It will do something to the image, find any kind of pattern it can. As you can see there, that's very interesting the way that it processed it. It kind of looks like a false color image of the sun now, in my opinion. But this is due to the fact that it is cross-referencing the image with another array of images, but it is not able to get full enough access to the information to intelligently figure out that there is no dead presidents in this picture. It looks for patterns, and it changes the picture as most it can to fit the pattern. As you can see, it's distorted around the entire planet, and the colors have completely changed because it's trying to make that picture as much as possible look like a president, a past president. So if you want to check out this website, it is called dreamscopeapp.com. I have no affiliation with them, and it's a very, very interesting thing to do. Upload an image and it will process it depending on the option you choose, and it will look different every single time. It's really cool. And I thank you all so much for watching. If you're interested in technology videos, please check out the other videos on this channel. And if you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them down in the comments section. I'm Joseph Robinson. Thank you so much for watching, and have a great day.